I met Arqui in 2015-16. At that time, I was the CIO of a big family organization across UAE and Africa and Europe. And I was looking to implement a big solution in Africa. And I did a vendor selection process, which was very rigorous. And Arqui came at the top. Our relationship continued. A year ago, they approached me because they were thinking of growing the business. So we talked about how can we team up to grow the relation with the Middle East. And with my trust in them and their capability, we are starting this initiative. What I like about them, I like they're disciplined, process-oriented, and before all, they have a solid corporate value. And this is one of the things actually that made me choose them for the solution when I was their client. I've been in IT as an IT executive for like around 25 years. And I worked for top organizations like Bell Canada, IBM, Merrill Lynch, Sony, and also worked for Saudi Defense Forces, as well as a large family organization. So that breadth of knowledge, which is in public sector, corporate, and family business, gave me a good understanding of the need of different organizations and how the top management think. So that, combined with the expertise of Arqui, the technology and the business solution, I think we will be able to help companies very well. Whenever you want to talk Middle East, Saudi comes to play. Saudi is the biggest economy and probably one of the most growing economy in the world. Add to that, in 2016, they started an initiative in Saudi because of their dependency before on oil. They want to become less dependent on oil. So they want to diversify. Because of that, they came up with multiple transformation projects, huge ones. At the core of all of them, there's a digital transformation. It's like clear to have a setup in Saudi, but our vision, our focus is the Middle East and Africa. Arqui is very well known for repeated customer and for the word of mouth. People have to know about you first before they start coming back. So this is our perspective. When we go there, we have to focus on making awareness for people. We're going to focus on middle and small and medium-sized businesses in the beginning, but we have to build on these references forward. And we're going to invest. We're going to invest in localizations, okay, of the solutions, especially for stuff that Microsoft is not using. What we do, we solve a business problem using Microsoft products. This is in a nutshell. But what we have is that we have a core offering, which is the Microsoft products. We're talking about D365, finance, operation, supply chain, and then we have the customer engagement or CRM. We have also the Business Central, which is the smaller ERP, and then we also have the Power Platform, which artificial intelligence, BI, all that, and the ecosystem of the whole thing. Then we have a vertical solution, which is a more direct solution. We're focusing on retail and hospitality. We're going to focus on waste management and recycling. We have all product for these stuff. Printing and graphics. We have textile, transportation, let's say, and logistics. These are some of the core ones that we do have a product for them. We have 300 or how many consultants certified and offices and references. This is the brochure one, but I'll tell you the core one, what I think. First, the understanding of the solution. And this one, Microsoft uses Arqui and trusts Arqui with their own development in Redmond and in the States to involve Arqui in the development of Microsoft technologies. Second, we do invest in understanding the business value and the business of the company and the pain and the hope. And we create a prototype to align ourselves. And third is our KPI. Our KPI is not only projects, KPI which is financials and timeline. Our KPI is the return of a customer and the word of mouth. So this is really core of what we think our value, and people have to try us first. And I'm sure that similar to what happened with me before, I started with one project, I ended up with 4 projects with Arqui.